Have you ever mixed scrambled eggs with rice? Well, that's exactly what I did, using some leftover rice from the fridge. Instead of just reheating it, I decided to add a different and more flavorful touch. First, I added eggs and mixed them well, making that simple and classic egg rice. Then I added a few ingredients I had on hand: diced tomatoes, peas, potatoes, carrots, and green onions. To give it a special touch, I finished it with oregano and a pinch of salt. If you want an even easier version, you can use a vegetable mix, which comes ready to use and makes the preparation quicker. If you like this idea and think this recipe could be a lifesaver, go ahead and give it a like. This dish is a mix of Brazilian and Asian influences. It's similar to Brazilian-style Greek rice, which is very popular here and includes colorful vegetables and seasonings, but it also has a touch of Chinese fried rice, which is super simple and made with rice, eggs, and veggies. I combined these two inspirations and created my own version, using what I had in the fridge and turning it into something new and full of flavor. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever made a recipe like this, reusing leftover rice or other ingredients from your fridge? What creative combinations have you tried? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more ideas like this, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss any delicious and practical tips.